How to buy Minecraft from G2A in 2025. And first things first is open up any running web browser that you can use on your end, but on this video I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. And here, there is no actually needing for you to create or to register to an account. If your point from here is just to purchase a game, then there's no need for you to create an account. All you have to do is just simply type in Minecraft, and once you hit on enter, you will be provided with tons of options specifically for the Minecraft game. So you have an option to purchase a mine coins, the Minecraft Legends PC, the Dungeons PC, and many more. So say for example you would like to choose on Minecraft Dungeons PC, you simply click on that, and then from here choose whatever platform that you're gonna be using this game to, whether if it's gonna be for Steam. And then on the edition or the version, then you can also choose on that whether it's the standard or the ultimate edition. Now, if you scroll down, this is your payment options. You can choose to buy this Minecraft to use your PayPal or any payment method available on G2A. Simply add this item to your cart and start paying it. So that's basically it. It's how you buy Minecraft from G2A in 2025.